I'm still trying to figure out how about going and doing these YouTube videos. So I'm working on a new project, and it's exploring what lies behind words using clay. And this is air dry clay. If you haven't seen my previous couple of videos. So what I do is I get some clay, and as I think about the word, I explore what the word means to me. And by using both of my hands, I'm activating both sides of the brain, the right brain and the left brain. One is aligns more with the conscious mind, and the other hemisphere aligns more with the subconscious mind. And by working with something with my hands, it allows my subconscious mind to engage at the same time. There's a part of the region of the brain that deals with sensory input and motor input, and the region for the hands is larger than most of the other parts of the body, other than the tongue and mouth. And I believe the eyes are also have a large amount of space dedicated towards sensory and mobile inputs and output. So, and also this may help with plasticity of the mind by engaging something. So anyway, this one I was working with the idea of sad, and so this is a remnant basically of that process of exploring what sad or sadness means to me. So once this took almost a week to dry to the point of where it is now, a couple weeks. I could have done this, what I'm going to do today, I could have done sooner, but I just now was able to get around to it. So I have two acrylics I'm going to start with. I don't know if you can see it, but I lightly drew in red some lines. And here it's purple. I just allow it to happen. I kind of saw what I wanted it there and did it. So today I'm using Creative Inspirations acrylic color, Van Dyke Brown. It's I think it's a student grade, but it's good enough for what we're doing, or what I'm doing. And I can't remember the brand of this, but it's from a kit of 12 shades of gray, and it's acrylic, and it's Payne's Gray. So I'm not using any notes, I'm just going by what happens. And okay, let's put that here. It's always good to shake acrylic if it's been sitting around for a minute. I may have too much acrylic down here. I just want to get a thin wash on this first application of paint, because it's mostly just, I'm trying to get it, I'll try to get the pigment into the crevices and the little cracks and stuff in the clay. And I haven't painted on air dry clay before, so I'm hoping that it'll be porous, and I'm hoping that that it doesn't start dissolving. Let's see, it's a little bit too. So I just want a wash of acrylic. Watery. Okay. And the reason why I'm using a dark tone is I'm seeing a dark form, but not totally black. And also, blackness does not have a negative connotation to me, you know, like bad or evil, that kind of thing. I'm just seeing it. Seeing a dark form with red. I'm not really much of a talker. So if you want to explore certain words and get past just the surface meaning, you might try also doing this process of closing your eyes after you get some clay and just forget that you're working with clay. letting it dry that way, or I think I'll just flip it over and do it this way. There's also a trance state involved. There's nothing unusual about trances. We go into trances every day. We just don't formally call them trances. One type of trance is enjoying a good movie, getting really into a movie, and you don't want to get distracted from the movie because you're really into it. That's a form of trance state. Some people, and also there's a flow state. That's basically a trance. And that's when someone is really into what they're doing and they lose track of time. And it just seems to really everything kind of flows. That's why it's called flow state. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. Oh, I'm using synthetic hairbrush. That's the best type of brush to use with acrylics. Natural hairbrushes, the acrylic can break down the hair fiber after a while. I took a paper towel and kind of the texture of the clay is starting to feel a little gummy. So it feels like it's activating the clay some, softening it up. Yeah, looks like that's a piece of clay. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. Oh, let's see. This here is exploration of wisdom. And I believe I have a video on this. So until next time.